everyone, Mr. Mush here. So, to honor National Pet Month, we're going to make a pup in a cup. Now, I made Charlie a handful of times with these clay projects. So today, I'm going to honor my friend's dog, Lucy. She's a golden retriever, and she's really goofy. So I'm going to put Lucy in a cup, all right? And she's a big golden retriever. And every time I visit my friend, Cynthia, she always greets me, and I'm always happy to see her. So, let's get to it. So, I'm going to have my cuppy blue. I rolled it into a ball, and I poked a hole, and then I'm going to pinch it. Okay, this is called a pinch pot. And if you've been watching Mr. Mush Makes, we did a pinch pot monster back a long time ago, back in October. All right, so I'm going to make my cup like this. All right, and, you know, I'm going to try and make it a little bit taller, like this. So if you got to squish it, okay, because I want the dog to be, you know, a little big. I don't want it to be super small, okay? All right, I'm just going to stretch out the bottom like that, okay? So, and then if it helps, you can roll it out. Press the top so it's got a flat, okay, just like that, okay. All right, I'm happy with this cup. Okay, so there's my cup, pup in a cup. Here we go. All right, so now I'm gonna make Lucy. All right, and I'm gonna start with a sphere, a ball, okay, and then I'm gonna make her long floppy ears. Okay, so they're like triangles, but long and floppy. It's not even a triangle, it's more like a trapezoid. You see that? See how it looks like a trapezoid? Okay, and then I'm gonna attach that to the head, okay? And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And Lucy, she's got a lot of energy, and she's always wanting to give hugs. And so she's always, you know, so nice to visit because, you know, nice to see her because she's always happy to see me, you know. And that's one thing about having a pet. They're always happy to see you. All right. So now I'm going to make Lucy's snout. Okay. All right. And then I'm just going to roll like a little ball, like an oval. Okay. Like this. And I'm going to stick it on her face, just like this. And then I'm going to smooth it out like this. Okay? I'm going to smooth it out. Okay? And then I'm going to give her her nose. So I'm going to make a little black dot for her nose, like this. Okay? And then I'm going to have her tongue sticking out. Okay, just like this. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of yellow underneath her tongue because that's her jaw. Okay, like this. Just like that. And then I'm smoothing it out. There you go. Okay, then I'm gonna do her eyes, but her eyes are gonna be closed. So I'm just gonna do little arches like this, just like that. And then I'm gonna do another arch like this. Okay, and I'm gonna just give Lucy a little bow on her head. Now you don't have to do that. Okay, and remember too, like, I'm making Lucy, you make your pup or your cat, okay? That's what that's what you need to do. You don't always have to copy Mr. Mush because you never met Lucy before, okay? So it wouldn't make sense for you to make a Lucy, but I'm just showing you generally, like, if you have a dog, you can make it like this. So here's her head. Okay, next, I'm gonna roll out an oval for her body. Okay, just like this. And then I'm gonna kind of mold it and move it to be like a bean because she's gonna be popping out of the cup like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw. Come on, Mr. Mush, we're sculpting. Okay, I'm gonna make her hind legs like this. I'm just rolling a coil, flattening them out, smoothing it together, just like that. And then I'm gonna do her front paws and her front legs. Okay. And then I'm gonna do her tail. Okay, another coil, just like this. Okay. All right. You know what? I'm gonna have her tail come down a little bit like that because she's popping out of the cup. Okay, and then I'm gonna do her front arms. I'm gonna do little coils, smush out where the paw is, and have it rest on the cup. And then with her other arm, see? And there you go. Pup in a cup. Okay, there's Lucy in all her glory. All right. So I would love to see your pup in a cup, or your cat in a cup, or your bird in a cup, fish in a cup, whatever pet you have at home. All right. Take a picture of it. Take a picture of, let me see. I want her head to be like that. Yeah. Take a picture. Send it into MrMushMakes.com. Upload it there. And make sure you do that because then we can share your artwork with the world. And I would love to see it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We're a new channel. It really helps us out in the long run. So everything that we can get, like subscribes, ringing of the bell, views, it really helps us out. So please do that. All right. Well, with that being said, we're done here. So I'll see you next time. Peace.